Hello people and welcome back to another epic and entertaining video on Caught on Dashcam channel. All the craziest and most epic encounters caught on driver's camera can be found right here on this channel. Hopefully you'll enjoy in today's episode. Let's start. It's complete chaos in front of the camera here. Drivers cutting each other off and pulling out in front of each other like there is no tomorrow. Driver skidded at the intersection and crashed. This is why you need to be careful when the roads are full of snow and ice. Pay close attention at the driver on the right side of the camera. She got herself in a really bad situation when she got into a puddle of water at high rate of speed. This is what happened next. When Mother Nature decides to mess with you just for a bit, it can be really funny and pleasing on the eye. It would appear that everyone was in a hurry. Drivers cutting in front of each other, making turns without indicating, dangerously cutting each other. It's a complete chaos on the road.
Place, okay? It's kind of He's gone. You okay, buddy? Okay. All I just get through the fucking light.
Camera caught a rude driver throwing bottles at the side of the road, and when they both stopped behind each other at the traffic stop, things started to escalate. Check it out.
Agreement with the provinces. CKLW.com. So far today, 50-50 split. AM 800 news time, 5:06. Forecasting.
Are you creative, artistic, a writer, a marketer, and enjoy the people business? The St. Clair College School of Media Arts and Design is the place for you this September. With programs like advertising and marketing, culinary management, graphic design, journalism, public relations, fashion design, tourism, and travel. Define your own creativity and apply today at stclaircollege.ca. See the facilities, talk to faculty, learn about student services, financial aid available, and more. Book a tour at stclaircollege.ca. Join the Saints Nation this September. Double A roofing.
That was so messed up. Not you, them.
You want to do that, do you, mate? There's nobody in that car.
With this clip we reach the end of another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope that you enjoy watching this one. If you did, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really means a lot. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.